morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It is August 12th. I go back to school not this coming Thursday, but the next Thursday. So, you know, typical Saturday shopping in Monica's life. I need strawberries. I need a new container for my Baby Bell cheese. The little mesh containers that they come in, they just fall apart, and then the cheese is like rolling around in the fridge and you can't find it, and that's the worst. And I'm sure I'll think of other things like when we get to Target that I might perhaps need. But otherwise, we're not really looking for much. It's prime back to school season, so I'm sure the lines and everything will be long, and it'll be slim pickings on the things that I would actually like to buy, but that's okay. Sitting in the Ross parking lot, salted caramel cold brew, delicious. And then I went a little off the playbook today. I got my hash browns, but then I also got a thing of bacon. I don't normally get the bacon because it's kind of sweet for my taste, but I don't know, I was just kind of craving bacon, and I don't like making bacon myself. It's a big, greasy mess. Such a good selection in the fancy marker stamper section of Ross. Like 64 markers for 15 bucks. That's a pretty good deal, but I'm not getting it. Look how cute these little Hello Kitty shorts are. And they're women's sizing, but I'm not really that much of a Hello Kitty fan. A $50 North Face vest. What? So I did grab that vest. I have a North Face vest in gray, but I don't have one in black because you never see the black on discount because everybody wants a basic black vest. And well, now I got one. And I grabbed another of the Skinny Syrups vanilla. Mine is about halfway gone. What I could really use is a vanilla almond. That's what I really need. If they had these in a 10.5 or an 11, I totally would have got them, but I can tell a 10 would just be a little too tight for these chunky feet. And these are cute too, but I already have a pair very similar that has like the more rainbow on the back. So many cute little Halloween. I had one of these in elementary school. That is a look. Pet peeve. How hard is it to throw away your cup, especially if it's the Starbucks one that has your name on it? Like, come on, people, find a garbage. We've got 2 bins, one for my cheese, one for my yogurt, and then a face wash and a body lotion. Very exciting, guys. Looking for strawberries and maybe one of the little personal pan pizzas they have in the hot case section. I do prefer that because I can't eat a whole pizza. I need to remember that college move-in is in 2 weeks, and I don't want to come here then because then it's just nuts. Pizza, strawberry, 3 of the Alana New Kim Kardashian lemonade things. Let's go get some coffee from Caribou Turtle Mocha. You know it. So it's a pretty common thing for my apartment to put stuff here that you don't want, and I think this is a sign I need this for my classroom, so we're gonna take them and throw them in the dishwasher. 1 cheese pizza just for me, none for you. So these are our pans, and then these are the ones I just picked up out of the hallway. So I'm gonna run them through the dishwasher once more, and then I'll take them to school next time I go. And if you ever want to support the classroom, I'm sure I probably have kid cooking related things linked in my Amazon wish list. So support us if you'd like to. I really need a better way to store my headbands because I'm aware that like this is impossible. So when the red light on this air purifier filter turns red, you're supposed to clean it out. Generally it's about every 6 months, but I just try to do it at Christmas break and summer break. And as you can see, like, that's all Cheyenne hair. So I need to vacuum it out, but I've been waiting for the vacuum to charge. That's the problem of having a cordless vacuum. It's also incredibly depressing that this is a $60 filter, so I'm paying $60 twice a year for clean air. Ugh, being an adult is the worst. And actually, it's more than $60 a year because there's one in the cat litter closet too, and then I have a smaller one in the bedroom. But I don't run the bedroom one during the summer because the window's always open. But during the winter, like, I need that clean air. That one's much smaller, so the filter's only like $30. Mmm, 6 months of dust. Delicious. So Dan gets these snack crates, and I think it's once a month, and they just choose a random country to do it from. This is a bad angle. The sun is like, hello. We'll just deal with it. Ooh, China. The only bad thing is though, when it's stuff like this, it's like you don't know what you're eating. This looks like some sort of chili Ritz cracker. Cucumber flavored Lay's potato chips. Chinese Skittles. Jelly beans maybe? Some sort of gummy. I've got no idea. Something crunchy. Oh, High Chews. That's something I've eaten before. This looks like some sort of chocolate thing. Like a peach. I don't know if you eat it like just like this or if you put it on a toast. I don't know. Little cookie. A whole handful of these. I don't know what it is. And peach flavored Oreos. I'm gonna open these little peach things to try them out. I'm not really that hungry, but... Oh, it looks like a fruit snack. Oh, that's good. It's like a peach flavored fruit snack. Oh, they're the cute little ones too. Wow, it even smells like peaches. You can tell that it's like not an American Oreo because the chocolate in the Oreo isn't as sugary as it normally is, but you know that chocolate and peach would be a good combination.